my... Oi!
Get you look beautiful. You look beautiful. So beautiful.
Oh, I'm onto something. Yeah, let's just have a messy little... crazy, like, mysterious... I look even younger! Do you like it though? Huh?
From the side it's nice.
From the side it's nice.
From the front it's a little...
It's a little scary, huh?
Scary. A little scary.
Do you want to entertain until I'm done with this? Do you guys want to talk to my best friend, Daniela? Wait, actually, this is not that bad. Factually, this is really not that bad. But whatever, you guys have seen me in every single condition. Yeah. It's not given if my crush is watching this. Tune off, please. Tune tap out. It's not a good look today. Alright. Hola. ¿Qué pasa, mijas? Huh? Okay. Yeah, okay.
Dale.
Take care of us. Please. Hey guys. I'm changing my whole look.
Damn you. What?
I'm naked. You can't even have a hood.
Hey guys. What's that?
Are you shitting right now?
What?
Are you taking a shit? Are you farting on live? Is this cute?
Are you Wait, we're here! This angle is not it.
Okay. Stop! This room is too messy to be...
It is really bad right now. And it's all you. It's all...
It's not true, it's just my makeup that is like all over the floor. My hair.
It's my makeup.
It's literally just
It's
like
my
that.
makeup.
Like, it's not even like that bad. I just swear to God, like...
Okay. I'm sorry guys.
Yeah, I'm sorry guys. This is very unorganized because I did not have enough time.
No, because someone was like, I need to stop screaming. My bad.
I love your screaming.
Oh, thanks. I love you.
Move over.
Oh, I don't. I take it back.
Oh no, I do love you.
And you just... Oh,
Arnaud from Cat's Eye assaults, physically assaults Daniela by spraying water in her face.
How dare you? How could you?
This is too low. I'm gonna have a freak out.
my throat.
Oh my gosh, I cannot with this hair, you guys. I'm so sorry, I'm freaking out. I'm freaking out. Stress.
Oh my god.
I needed someone.
Are you fluent in Spanish?
Claro que sí. Sí.
Sí.
You know what?
Yo puedo hablar español.
Claro.
Claro que sí.
Claro que sí. Yo soy una
Niña.
Ya sí. Dale.
Girl, you stop spraying that. You look great like that. That's perfect. You don't have to do anything else with your hair.
Perfect.
Yeah, you're perfect just the way you are.
No, look at me. Look at me. Look in my eyes. You're perfect. Just literally so perfect.
So
You're perfect. I look a little Canadian today.
Oh.
Que fez eu quebrar meu celular pelo fato de ser muito relaxante. Ultimamente eu tava com a cabeça muito quente.
Oh. What?
Anyways, I missed you all so much. Oh my god, guys, I'm back. The live streams. I'm probably gonna switch my hair like 7 more times and then we're good.
Oh my gosh, my hair is like cray cray. Oh my gosh, I told you to leave it down. You looked fine. Again, this is not... You know what you need? You know what you need?
I'm so scared when you pick up the camera.
You need this. This is what you need.
Oh, you're so...
This is what you need.
You're so right.
This is what you
Can I put
need.
this on my phone? But wait, can you check the background?
Just blow. But wait, actually don't.
Check the background. So, guys, this is so... Oh, gosh, this is not organized at all.
No,
Should we move these? Okay, let's see how... No, like, it's hella seen. Let me move the mirror.
The mirror?
Yeah. Oh my god, no! No, if I tilt it more.
No!
Danny, I got it!
It's not my mirror!
What? Yeah.
Girl!
I want... I'm so scared.
That's fine.
No, they're gonna see the mess.
That's fine.
Okay, that's... And now just don't move. Alright. Let's go. Ow! Don't move! I'm trying to move this! Okay.
I'll do it.
Guys, you're just gonna,
Okay.
Don't look back.
Okay. Oh!
Jinx.
Jinx, double jinx. What?
Quadruple jinx.
Triple.
Yeah, this feels strong. Soft is strong. Did you see what I did there? Soft is strong.
Sis. Go stream it. Ready, ready?
Oh gosh, guys, we have empty boxes. I'm so sorry. Oh, on my head or in your head? Oh, sorry. I thought that was an idea of yours.
For me.
Yeah, put it on. Oh, cute. It's the opposite of my outfit.